See the water goes down. I like this stand.
That's a microphone.
Oh, I was wondering what is that?
So we're gonna snake it out, and then we're gonna pull it off and see why it keeps backing up. I want to see if that was toilet paper. Make sure it wasn't wipes.
See how kids here, but you claim they're not showing anything down there.
But
You can plug into a regular one.
do me a favor, can you throw that out there for now? Oh, you almost got a camera in your head. Thank you. All right. So you guys are having a party today?
Yeah. I thought we were gonna have the damn thing a little earlier, this, say 5 to 6. I guess when the tenants come from work.
Yeah. You gotta be here? You gotta be here?
Yeah, I'm a tenant.
That's good. Some people like stuff like that, some people don't. Me, I can't. I'm not very social.
I try to hide, man. I'm telling you.
Well, no, but that's what I'm saying. Like, does the management expect you to be around?
No, you don't have to be.
Oh, that's okay.
No. You don't have to, but you know, they would like you to, it's one of those
Yeah.
things there, you know that shit goes. need to come up here now with a pot. We're gonna fucking do. What's the guy work? No need.
Ah, look at this. Looks like a pen cap, right?
You got the picture. Yeah, you gotta send it to me.
Pen. Take a picture of that because this. Well, I won't be recording this till probably 2-3 weeks. And actually what we're going to do, I'm going to put it back the way it was and then take a picture of that how it was. That was like perfect. See how it went in there? Like, that's crazy.
So you didn't pass, you.
No. Well, that's the thing, right? You get a little bit of toilet paper.
And it hooked onto it.
Hooks onto it. Builds up over time. 2 days later, enough paper built up. Alright? Do you got a wax gasket?
So check. Let me see if I can find one.
Throw a new gasket on here before.
I'm gonna charge you for it though.
You're not going to charge me, charge them.
Remember, they should have one. Oh, now I don't see it there. They should have one.
Okay. Alright guys, so you see piece of pen got stuck in the drain and was causing it to back up like that. That was weird. So he just went to get me a new gasket. We're gonna put the toilet back together and we will call it a day. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Did you guys see that? Anyway, until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.